In this video, we'll show you how to change the air filter on your Dodge Ram 1500. You can find it on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Unclip the 4 holding latches on the airbox cover. For great content, our best price, and fast shipping, download the CarParts.com app now. Lift the cover. Take out the air filter. Before putting the new filter in place, it is important to clean out any impurities or leaves stuck in the filter compartment. You can order the air filter used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Take the new filter. You can now put the new filter in place. Put the cover back on. Finally, lock the flange with the 4 latches. Operation complete.